Hi, my name is Darren Gray. I've been with the Crypto Code for a little while now, just over a year. And I just wanted to share with you a quick, uh, exciting thing that happened with me. I use a TCC Trend indicator, and in January 8th, it told me that it was time to buy Bitcoin. I bought it at just over $16,900 and rode that process until April. In April, I got another TCC trend indicator that told me it was time to sell. So I went ahead and went and sold, and I sold at a price of $31,700 and was able to take over a $96,000 profit in 4 months using the TCC trend indicator. And so I just wanted to share that with you. And thank you, Joel. Thank you, Adam, for the opportunity to be part of Crypto Code, especially Joe for taking the time to answer questions and help out the community. You're very much appreciated, and looking forward to many, many more years of the Crypto Code. And because of that, I've invited quite a few of my friends to join, and they are coming into Crypto Code and have came in the last couple months. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate everything you do.